How to add location in the Bereal app. If you have been using the Bereal application and wondering on how to add your location on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Bereal application, just like this. After that, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto your profile at the bottom, just right here. Select it. Then here you can find something like this. Now tap onto settings at the top right corner, just right here. Now select it. Then here you can find time zone just right here on the settings section. Select it. Then from here you can simply select your location. Now tap on to one of the location, choose one just like this and tap on to save. And after that simply tap on to change, just right here, tap on it. And now you can see your location has been changed to America. And that's it. This is how you can add location in the Bereal app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.